Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to build a Shopify store with the Claude AI. So you can use the Claude AI to speed up almost every part of building a Shopify store, although Claude cannot create and publish the entire store automatically on its own, of course. So actually guys, first you will need to create a store in Shopify. So just sign up at Shopify and choose a theme from here, the online store on the left hand menu, and choose a theme below, right? Even you can go with the standard one, right? So you can actually go to the Cloud right here and ask it to help you with the niche selection, also with the brand names, the product idea, and the target audience research. Right. Also, guys, you can add the competitor analysis. Okay. So you will need to add, can you, or I do want to build a shop or a store on Shopify. So can you please help me and these or with these below? All right. And yeah, and also guys, you can go with and prompts like help me create Shopify store selling ergonomic office accessories, define the target audience, brand position, and product categories, etc. And then just generate product description. So provide the product details and ask Cloud to write the product titles, product descriptions, feature lists, FAQs, SEO, meta description, etc. So for example, you can go with a prompt like write a high converting Shopify product description for a portable laptop stand. Okay, and then go and use afterward the Cloud AI again to create the store content. Okay, so you can go with about us page, shipping policy, return policy, privacy policy, FAQ page, email marketing sequences, etc. So that way you can use the Cloud AI to create your shop or your store on Shopify. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.